What's up, guys? Today we got a new bike from Hitway. This is the bk6. It's on sale right now for $649, guys. It was originally over $1,000. $649. Let's get this bike open. It's a nice little step-through bike, guys. Sometimes you want to ride a lightweight bike, step through, very easy to get on for all ages, very comfortable. Let's get this bad boy open. Hitway. Thank you, Hitway, for sending me this bike. Hit the road, hit the fun. Yeah! Let's check it out. All right. Here we go, guys. My son's motorcycle's in the way. All right, we have the seat here. Let's put the seat aside for now. We got some styrofoam blocks. Looks like it's very good packaging. See that, guys? It's well protected. I picked out red, guys, to match my car. I got a red little Fiat now. So I figured I'd pick red. I think my wife is going to use this one more than me, but I'm sure I'm going to take it for many rides. I like the back seat. It has the back seat for passengers as well. This is the bk6 from Hitway. All right, let's get this out. I got bad shoulders. Let's see if I can do this, guys. Let's turn it sideways. Let's turn it sideways. All right, guys. Hold on, I don't want to scratch this bike up. All right. That's that. All right, hold on, guys. Put this down for a second. All right, we're going to come back. I'm going to build this bike. You ready? Abracadabra. Bam! Okay, guys, this is the Hitway bk6. Check it out. Nice little fold-in bike. Step-through frame. Very easy to get on and off. It has a suspension seat post. And on the website, guys, the battery says it's a 48-volt, 14-amp battery. But when I look at the battery here, there's specs on the battery. It says 48-volt, 15-amp. So you're getting an extra amp there. Check that out. The website has to correct that. And there's no front rack I didn't see on the website. I looked on the website for accessories. They didn't send me the front rack. I did ask for it. We're going to see what happens with that. It has a bright headlight, LED headlight. This seat can come off, and they sell a rear rack for this. But I noticed with this seat in the back for passengers, there's no place to put their feet. I do not see any foot pegs. Yeah, there's nothing there. I guess I could buy aftermarket ones if I have to and put them on the back. You know those BMX ones they sell? I could put those on the back. But so far, guys, very nice bike. I haven't taken it for a spin yet. It's still charging. But come back later on. I'm going to do short videos on my YouTube channel and give you updates about this periodically as time progresses with this bike. But nice display, nice little display. Everything's adjustable. You can move this, move the handlebars any way you want. Has ergonomic grips. Regular brakes, Shimano gears. It doesn't have a hydraulic. These are regular mechanical disc brakes. And it has it shows a little speaker behind the headlight, but I looked, there's no horn here. It just has a little bell. And that's fine, guys. Yeah, the seat's very cushy. Like I said, suspension has quick release. The battery has enough range, has a 750 watt motor as well. And pretty nice. It came with different pedals, guys. I had many pedals, so I put these pedals on. I didn't like the pedals that fold. I don't need that. I don't plan on folding a bike. I just store it like this. But yeah, it's a nice looking bike from Hitway, bk6. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.